Hey guys, what's going on? Carbs from Carbs Code here. Just wanted to share this really quick tip for Sublime 3 and just share it. So I'm working a lot with Json right now, and essentially this is really not readable. And to make this a bit more readable, there's a really nice package that you can install called PrettyJson. This is what it does. So it will format all of your JSON like this. It'll also validate as well, and you can have it validate and save when you save the file, which is really nice. So anyways, I'm going to show you how to really quickly install it and just how to run it, and yeah, so here we go. Okay, so it's literally just as easy as doing Control-Shift-P and then typing in package, and you'll see there install package. And then this will pop up, and you just type in PrettyJson right there, hit enter, and then that's it. So it's literally installed now. So if I go ahead and hit Control-Shift-P again and type in pretty, you'll see all of the little functions here. And the one that you want here is format. So there is a hotkey, but for some reason it doesn't work for me. I think it's like a different program that's set to it, but it might work for you, which is Control-Alt-J. But I just type in pretty and it's fine. So I hit that, and there you go. And then the same with minimize, or minify rather. Control-Alt-M, and that'll push it back down. There's some settings in here too that you can play around with. Right here, you can do different things like different line separators and that sort of thing. But yeah, or the validate on save and the pretty on save, which just means that it'll put it back to a single line, or it will save it as a user readable file. Anyways, yeah, so that's PrettyJson. So hope you guys enjoy that. It's pretty helpful, if you will.